Alright, today I would like to give my review for this battery-free wireless doorbell. I got this from Amazon. Basically, I got it for free in returns of giving my honest review for this product. And as you can see here, there are three colors based on this package. There's white, silver, and gold. And when I got it from Amazon, with Amazon box obviously, and then there is some plastic wrap that I unwrapped already, basically for further protections in case there is a drop or bump during the shipping. So it's pretty neat from the packaging point of view. And let's do the unboxing. So this is the receiver, I believe. And this one is the push button for the doorbell, or you can call it transmitter, which transmit the signals. I got this thank you note. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions, please contact us. And there's an email contact there. And let's see what else do we have here in the box. I got this sticker. This is should stick over here on a doorbell if you wish to stick on it. You got 3M double tape. As you know, 3M is a leading company for the adhesive product, so I believe it's a pretty good quality product for the double tape itself. I'm glad it's 3M. If it's not 3M, then I'll be doubt about the quality of this double tape. I have this screw, and then I believe if you decided to screw into your wall permanently, then you may use this. And there is also the product overview as well as the installation guide. According to here, there are 4 steps only, and technical spec, tips, and how to do the pairing between transmitter and receiver. Alright, after I carefully read the installation guide and do my first trial on how to install this, believe me, it's super easy. Basically, you just need to plug it in and then test it first before you attach to the wall, or which side of the wall that, or any location you wish to attach this doorbell. So, and also over here, as you can see here, there is a 2 buttons, one's for volumes and the other one is the button to select the songs. And unfortunately it is not written in this manual, but it is actually. I did not read carefully. Anyway, so it's fairly easy. I'll show you how to do it, and it'll take literally less than a minute to make sure that this one will work. So I plug in here, for instance. Okay. So this is my study room, by the way, so I did not really put it outside. And it says, let's close the door. And to make sure this one can be placed kind of further away, I'll walk even further. Let's say I'll go to the other room and I'll close my door for my other bedrooms, and I'll try to press this doorbell so you can hear it. So it's very easy. So literally, say you attach that receiver, and then test it first, make sure that the doorbell works, and then you just put your double tape, and say for instance this is your main door, and then you want to tape it here on this wall, just put it here. That's it. So it's fairly easy. And let me show you if you want to change the ringtone. How do you want to do it? It's very easy too. As you can see here, let me put the volume a little bit down. You see, this is the second sound, the third, the fourth, you can choose whatever ringtone you like. Yep. Okay, this is silent mode. You see the volume is getting higher and higher. It's pretty loud, seriously. Okay. I reduce volume basically because it's very close to my phone. This is silent mode again. Okay, this is another ringtone. Alright, so basically I believe it says they are 50 something. Let me check. In the tech spec. Oh, 48 songs, and the default is Ding Dong. So I guess that's my review. Generally, this is very easy wireless doorbell. You just put your tape, attach to the wall. Well, obviously before that you need to plug in first the receiver, test it, make sure it works, and then attach it. Paste this double tape, attach it to the wall, and then you're done. That's it. And if you want, you can set the ringtone and the volume. And my comments, probably there are few. First, as you can see here, this is 2 prongs plug, which is very uncommon in United States. In general, we have the 3 prongs. The third one is for grounding, and this one is only 2, means there's no grounding for this device. And the other comments that I have is I mentioned earlier that these screws, when I saw this, my first thought came out of my mind was I can permanently fix this doorbell. But here I did not see there is any way to permanently fix this transmitter, and I did not see anything in the tips or installation guide saying about this screw. So I don't know what is this screw for. But regardless, you have this 3M double tape, which is very convenient and easy to do it. So that's my review. I will test it for a few days, and if I found anything bad about this product, I'll definitely update that, update my review. So thank you.